Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to deactivate your Facebook account, what you'll need to do is, first thing, make sure that you've updated your Facebook application to the latest version. And if you haven't updated the application, then all you need to do is open up your device's Play Store and then type in Facebook on the search bar and click on update if the update option is available. So moving on with the procedure, so then logged into your Facebook account, you'll be directed to the home page. Now on this interface, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see a tab bar icon. Just click on it. As you click on the tab bar icon, a menu page appears. Now on this interface, what you need to do is scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you have an option as settings and privacy. As you click on settings and privacy, once again you'll need to click on settings and you'll redirect to settings and privacy page. So under settings and privacy page, there are a list of options. So right on top you have account, and under account you'll need to click on personal and account information. After that you'll be taken to personal and account information page. Right at the bottom there is an option as account ownership and control. Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, two different options appears, and right at the bottom there is an option as deactivate and deletion. Just click on it. As you click on deactivation and deletion, next interface will be asked either you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. So if you want to delete your account permanently, then you'll have to wait for 30 days after deactivating your account. Only then you'll be able to delete your account. But for deactivation, you have to log in within 30 days, otherwise your account will be deleted after 30 days. So you need to select either one of these options and then click on continue. So you need to confirm your identification by entering the password associated with your Facebook account. Once you type in your password, click on continue, and if you're sure about deactivating it, click on continue, and then you've successfully deactivated your account. And that is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.